How to reset your password on PayPal. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be discussing about how to reset your PayPal password. So first thing first, just head over to PayPal application, and once you're inside your PayPal application, just enter the registered email address. So once you enter your registered email address, just click on next, and if you ever forget your password, you can just tap on this forgotten password button over here, which will take you to this page where you simply have to fill up the captcha over here. So I'll simply fill up the captcha, and they will just send you the recent link to reset your password on your registered email address. So basically, if you have a backup account other than this Gmail account in which you are using to log into your PayPal account, or if you also have registered your phone number, then you can just choose this second option, that is get a text directly to get a message or text on your registered phone number, or you can also simply verify with your photo ID. So once you do all of that, just re-enter your password, and once you do all of that, you should be successfully logged into your account just like that. So that is it for today guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.